Okay. Subtraction of integers. Okay, subtraction of integers. Okay, makinig kasi iba yung pagsasubtract ng integers kaysa doon sa regular nating ginagawa. Okay. So transform, ito yung rules ha. Transform the subtraction in integers problem into the addition of the integers problem. Here's how. First, keep the first number or as known as the minuend. Okay, yung minuend natin, hindi natin papalitan ng sign. I-keep natin, sabi dyan. Second, change the operation from subtraction to addition. So yung subtraction, nagsasubtract tayo, pero papalitan natin ng addition. And then third, get the opposite sign of the second number known as subtrahend. Yung subtrahend natin, yung second number, papalitan natin ng sign. Kung positive siya, magiging negative. Kung negative siya, magiging sa positive. Then finally, proceed with the regular addition of integers. Okay, this is how. Okay, tignan. Let's say, kaya makinig mabuti. Let's say we have positive 7, okay, minus positive 2. Okay, anong gagawin natin? Sabi doon, from ikikip natin yung sign nung minuend, tapos yung subtraction magiging addition, papalitan natin ng addition. Then yung addition, yung subtrahend natin, papalitan natin ng negative. Okay, now 7 plus negative 2, kukunin natin yung difference niya. So 7 minus 2, that is 5. Then, kunin yung sign ng ating pinakamalaking number which is 7, that is positive 5. Okay. Paano? Ito yung parehong positive. Paano kapag ganito? Positive 7 o positive 5 minus positive 7. Okay. Paano gagawin? Again, yung minus o yung subtraction, gapalitan natin ng plus. Yung positive, yung pangbaba o yung pangalawang number, that is positive, papalitan natin, gagawin nating negative. So, magiging negative 7. Then, we will what? Get, kasi naging addition na siya, get the difference. 7 minus 5, dahil mas mataas si 7, 7 minus 5, that is, very good, 2. Pero ano yung sign ng pinakamalaking number which is 7? That is, ano na, hindi positive ha, dahil negative na siya, so negative 2. Okay? Kuha. Okay, isa pa. Paano pag parehong negative? Let's say negative 3 minus negative 5. Okay. Sabi, yung minus, yan. Yung minus, magiging addition. Yung subtrahend, dahil negative, magiging positive. Mapapalitan ng sign. So, dahil addition na, get the difference, 5 minus 3, that is, okay, 5 minus 3, that is 2. At ano yung sign ng pinakamalaki nating numbers between 5 and 3? That is 5. Ang sign ay positive. So, positive 2. Okay, isa pa. Okay, let's say we have -9 minus -4. Okay, subtraction, magiging addition. Yung subtrahend dahil negative, magiging positive. Okay, now, get the difference. 9 minus 4, that is 5. Then kunin yung sign ng pinakamalaking number, that is 9. Ang sign niya ay negative, so -5. How about magkaiba ng number? Magkaiba ng sign rather. Let's say -3 minus +4. Okay. -3 minus +4. Okay. Subtraction, add, magiging addition, positive, magiging negative. Then, add. 3 plus 4, hindi natin, dahil parehong sign na silang negative, hindi na natin kukunin yung difference. Pagsasamahin na natin siya. 3 minus 4, 3 plus 4 rather is equals to 7. Dahil pareho siyang negative, negative. Okay. How about this one? +9 minus -7. Okay, +9 minus -7. Subtraction, magiging addition, negative, magiging positive. Then, add. Okay, kasi pareho na siyang positive, i-add na natin. 9 plus 7 is equals to 16. Dahil pareho na silang positive, that is positive. Okay? Ayan na, marami tayong example for activity. Ayan. Do page 6 and page, ayan, page, tama. Ay, puro page 6 to. Okay, that is, wait lang ha. Page 7 and page 8. Ayan, page 7 and page 8. Yung adding integers at subtracting integers. Yan, nasa worksheet niya yan. Adding integers and subtracting integers. Okay, adding integers and subtracting integers. Then, pakidala ang worksheet sa Wednesday para ma-checkat at paalala yung inyong research. Yung inyong research sa AP, di ba ipapasa yon sa April 30. Okay. So, hindi na pwede. Hindi na tatanggapin pag pinasa ng May 1. So, hanggang April 30 lang. Okay, kasi mahaba yung binigay kong date sa inyo. So, yun lang for today. At sa susunod ulit na pag-aaral natin ng math. Maraming salamat.